They look the same now. Amazing.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, too bad we don't have the light in here, but...
Oh, wow.
Yeah, there's not much light in there.
Oh, wow.
Thank you.
This looks great. Oh my gosh.
Hey, what's up, guys? Today is May the 20th. We are out here in Atlanta, right off of Moreland Avenue. So this is a new client. They are moving into this condo apartment unit. She sent me pictures. She went to my website. She saw the option where you can send pictures and the measurements, and that's what she did. So I never came out here to do an in-home consultation. And what we're going to be doing here, guys, is about 450 square feet screen recoat with UV cure. Also went out this morning to Dunwoody and I did a consultation. An interior designer who's actually getting this house prepped to sell referred me to this client. She said, yeah, Courtney, she's here staging the house and she does interior, and she referred you. So she did pay for the in-home consultation. She was an older lady, and most of my older clients, they just say, Courtney, we'll just pay you for the in-home consultation. So let me flip this around and show you guys what we got going today. All right, guys, so again, we're off of Moreland Avenue in these apartment condo units. You can see one is for sale right here. It's amazing, man, how this city is changing. I've been here my whole life, and just to see how certain parts of Atlanta is changing is just, it's a good thing. So what we're going to be doing, guys, now first, this is an engineered floor. So right here, I'm going to do a different process on this floor than over here. So this is a newer floor, but it is engineered. And then over here, we're going to bring in one of our dome lights because they don't have any lights yet. But this floor is really, really worn, guys. So I'm going to set up one of my dome lights right here. Give me some good light. But as you can see, man, this floor is really, really worn. Has a lot of scuff marks, micro scratches, little discoloration here and there. See, like up in here, all right? And then back here, some one bedroom unit. Got some discoloration all up in here. Bedroom, not too bad, but again, definitely needs a good screen recoat. Then up in here, all right? All right, guys, so we are gonna go ahead and get started. Start the screening process. I'm gonna hook up the dome light. See, just put it right here and then just have it facing in there. And yeah, there we go. That's better. So you see that, guys? There we go. So yeah, this floor is gonna look amazing when we're done. All right, guys, and then after this, we gotta go do another consultation in Roswell. All right, guys, stay tuned. Guys, we got a really, really good screen on this floor. Now, as you can see, I'm about to do some color correction. See all that where it's kind of missing color? So we're about to do some color correction. I already did a test area right there by that. Remember that white part? That was water damage. So I already done a color correction there. Going to do something here. And then also some up in here. Yep. All up in here. Oh, yeah. And definitely all up in there. You see that? It's gonna make a good before and after. Rag coat is going down. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this down, and then we're gonna go off and do a consultation, come back, and then do the UV cure. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, got the UV curing going. Floors came out great. Man, I must say the phone has been blowing up today. I've been getting a lot of referrals. I just had a repeat client. She said I used to clean her carpets. She wants her wood floors and her countertops done. The consultation I went and looked at, she booked for next week. It's a wax removal on a luxury vinyl plank floor. And I also had another consultation that I did 2 days ago come in for also the following week. All right, guys, go ahead and get this floor UV cured. Call my client and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.